Hey, amazing teachers! If oral exams make you feel stressed or overwhelmed, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing some practical tips to make oral exams not only efficient, but also super effective for you and your students. One of my favorite strategies is using targeted can-do statements to guide the exam. These statements keep the conversation focused and ensure you're hitting the essential language benchmarks. For instance, have students describe a familiar routine like their morning schedule using varied verb tenses. It's a great way to assess their ability to communicate about everyday life without feeling like they're being put on the spot. Another quick win: create a question jar filled with fun, relevant prompts ahead of time. Let students pick questions from the jar to keep the exam dynamic and a bit more playful. Imagine a prompt like, explain how to make your favorite dish. It gives students a familiar context, reducing anxiety, while you can evaluate their ability to structure explanations. Plus, letting them draw a question adds a small element of surprise, making the exam feel less like a scripted performance and more like a natural conversation. You'll notice that students tend to be more relaxed and authentic when they have a say in the process. Finally, consider using a simple rubric that's shared with your students beforehand. Break it down into clear, bite-sized pieces like use of vocabulary, fluency, and pronunciation. Students will know exactly what you're looking for and feel more prepared to showcase their skills. And here's a bonus: this transparency means less stress for you during grading. And if you're looking for even more tools and insights to level up your language classroom, come join us at the Comprehended 2025 conference, starting in February. You can get all the details and register at comprehended.co/register. It's going to be a game changer. Happy comprehensible input.